No. Is that yummy milk? What is that?
Milk.
Milk? Is this your first time having milk? Uh-oh. It fell. Emma, can you help?
Yeah.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Mommy.
Oh, sorry. Teacher, can you help? Oh, you didn't put it close enough. Can you put it closer to her, please? Emma. There we go. Yay! Milk. Milk. My milk. Uh-oh. Where's the milk, Ken? Oh. Yeah. Can you flip it around for her? See how it's upside down? There you go. Uh-oh. We're having difficulties with the milk. Here, come on.
You always do this, Ken. Always.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here. Here, Kenzie. Get more? Whoa. Huh? Huh?
Mom.
Kenzie? Say bye-bye.
Mommy.
Say bye-bye.
I need some Barbie pins.
Bye-bye.
Mom, I need some. Mommy.